Good morning, all of you. My name is Bhumika Pandey, and I'm the pupil teacher of RKG Educational College from third semester. So today we are going to discuss about the topic, or like you can say, an essay about natural disaster. Today we will discuss about the topic natural disaster in English subject. Okay, so let us start with this topic. Okay, now today we will discuss about an essay, natural disaster. Natural disaster. So, what do you understand by the term natural disaster? It's complete in it a natural disaster. It means natural, which occurs naturally is called natural disaster. So, first of all, we will discuss about the definition of the natural disaster. A disaster is a major adverse event resulting from natural processes of the earth. Examples include floods, volcano eruption, earthquakes, tsunamis, and other geological processes. A natural disaster can cause loss of life or property damage and typically leaves some economic damage in its wake, the severity of which depends on the affected population's resilience or ability to recover. So, in short, we can say in short we can say that natural disaster is the disaster which occurs naturally, of many of them related to the climate of India. This disaster is mainly depend upon the climate of India, causes massive loss of life and property. This disaster causes a massive life of losses of causes of life and property, just like floods, volcano erupt, cyclones, avalanches, and landslides, etc., brought by torrential rains and snowstorms pose the greatest threats. A natural disaster, a natural disaster might be caused by earthquake, flooding, might be caused by volcanic eruptions or landslides. Okay, in order to be classified as a disaster, it will need to have a profound environmental effect. It needs to have a profound environmental effects, and human loss of frequently, and the other dangerous include frequent summer dust storms which usually track from north to south. North south, they cause extensive property damage in North India, and also deposit large amount of dust and dirt in from and one region to another region, and hail is also common in part of India, causing several damage to standard crops, as rice and wheat are mainly more crops in it. Okay, these are the causes of that natural disaster. Now we will discuss more. Okay, there are the top 10 list of natural disasters which mainly occur in our country. First one is cyclone, second earthquake, third tornado, fourth volcano eruption, fifth tsunami, sixth flood, seventh wildfire, eighth drought, ninth avalanche, 10th landslide. So these are the 10 the top 10 natural disasters which are mainly occur in India. And right now we are discussing about the current news. In Uttarakhand, Chamoli, there is the glacier burst, and the many of the lives can damage due to this natural disaster. This is also a type of natural disaster. Natural disasters. So these are the peaks of the natural disasters. I have earlier told you: tornado, volcano, earthquake, tsunami, drought, avalanche, dust storm, forest fire, thunderstorm, snowstorm, hurricane, windstorm, hailstorm, flood, sandstorm, or sinkhole. So these are the natural disasters which occur in India mainly. So we will discuss one by one. First one is cyclone. A cyclone is an area of closed circular fluid motion. It has low pressure on the inside and high pressure on the outside. The center of the storm is called the eye, and it has the calmest water and the lowest pressure. In meteorology, we can say a cyclone is a large scale air mass that rotates around a strong center, of low atmospheric pressure. This is happens due to the low atmospheric pressure. Cyclones are characterized by inward spiraling wind that rotate about a zone of low pressure. This cyclone or storm is happened with the from the lowest pressure in the storms, and the largest low pressure system are polar vortex and extra tropical cyclones of the largest scale. uh, and the this is the every year near thousands of people perish in natural disasters. You can say that every year the thousands of peoples are damaging their lives in in these disasters, and while over 150 millions are impacted by them, many of the peoples are can having the death, and many of the impacted with them. And violent natural disaster have been on the fact of human life since the beginning of mankind. And these are the cyclone is the closed is come in the closed area of circular field of motion. It is a low pressure and inside the high pressure of the outside. Cyclone, it turns counterclockwise in the north hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. It is because it flows the rotational movement of the earth. The biggest cyclone recorded in the Bhogla cyclone, the biggest cyclone is recorded in the Bhogla cyclone, and it is high cost is Bangladesh and 1970, and the death toll around to 55,000, 5 lakhs around. Now next is earthquake. Earthquake is also a major disaster, and in disaster, suddenly many lives can causes and death, and this is comes from the then we can say in Hindi bhukamp types. So this comes from the that. This is a major disaster that can is seismograph. We can say seismograph, and the disaster came the life in danger zone. Uh, mm, The Balavia earthquake is also known as the Great Chilean earthquake, and is the biggest earthquake ever recorded. It the hidden child may comes and the magnitude of 9.5, and a depth of a toll of around 600. The earthquake is mainly occur in the cities, mainly occur in the big cities, because the high population and the volcano eruption, and this the mainly occurs in the big cities. Then there's the tornado, which is called twisters also. A, um, a tornado is a voluntary rotating column of air that is touching both the ground and the Columbus cloud. The tornado is come along with the voluntary rotating column of the air that is come just like this regulating. And the tornado conditions are caused when different temperatures and humidity meet to form thunder clouds. When the clouds are thundering with each other, then the tornado conditions are occurred. And the we can also it's a twister also, because twister can attain speed of thousands mile an hour, and the tornado comes the speed of tornado comes that is thousands mile, 100 miles hour per an hour. Now, next, the biggest tornado recorded was the Harlem Nebraska tornado, May 2004, and the biggest tornado has recorded in the May 22, 2004, and it was around the 2.5 miles big and had a depth of 12 around 160 toll around that that can occur in it, and the 2.5 miles big. The deadliest tornado recorded occurred in the Daltipur and the Saltaria, Bangladesh on April 26, 1989. In 1989, 26 April, the deadliest tornado came in Bangladesh, and here also the 1300 recorded dead and to 12,000 recorded injured. Then the next is volcano eruption. Volcano eruption is also it can burst like an fire. A volcano is an opening in a planet surface which allows hot magma to escape from the below the surface. It is burst when when the below the surface area is get heated too much. When the it is mainly occurred in the hottest places where the heat is more, so the surface is becoming hot and it gets erupted, फट जाता है वो पूरी तरह से, and then this eruption occurs. The study of volcanoes is called volcanology. When who is studying the about the volcanoes is called volcanology, and the volcano eruptions are measured using volcano explosive index. Now the next is tsunami, and all everyone knows when the tsunami occurs. When tsunami means harbor wave, and it's caused by the displacement of a large body of water, normally an ocean or a large lake. Tsunami and giant waves. Tsunami is like a giant waves were caused by earthquake or volcano eruptions. This is mainly caused by the volcano and earthquake under the sea. When with the sea out in the depth of the oceans, tsunami waves do not dramatically increase in height. Okay, but as the waves travel inland, when the waves travel inland, they build up the higher to higher height of the depth of the oceans decreases. The speed of tsunami waves depends on the ocean depth rather than the distance from the source of the wave. So tsunami waves may travel as faster as jet planes over deep water, only slowing down when reaching shallow waters. And this may be discouraged by oceanographers. These are called the oceanographers, and because tides have title to do these giant waves. The next is the biggest tsunami ever happened at uh, Lituya Bay, Alaska on sorry Lituya Bay, Alaska around 9 July 1958. The mega tsunami was around 150-meter tall. The biggest tsunami has recorded in 9th July 1958. And the tsunami caused by 2004 Indian Ocean's earthquake. The tsunami is caused in 2004 in Indian Ocean earthquake. Is the sixth deadliest natural disaster recorded in history, with a death toll of 2,30,210 people to 2,80,000. It is the highest ratio of the death in 2004, which is the sixth deadliest natural disaster in India. It is mainly recorded. Flood. Flood are caused when water overflows from a water body. One of the biggest flood in the world is probably the Yellow River in China 1887, which killed between around 9 lakh people. Everyone knows when the flood occurs, when the rain is continuously coming, when the continuously rain is falling, that the flood is occur. You can believe it or not, I don't know, but flooding is the deadliest type of server weather. There is probably a lot about floods and flooding. You don't know about that, but in this guide we will go over everything there is know about the flooding. uh, Flooding is when the air gets continuously happening. When the air is continuously happening, then this cause of flood occurs. And in many cities you have seen, then Mumbai and Odisha and many other cities, you have seen that the flood caused due to the heavy rainfall in the country. And in Mumbai, major floods comes because in Mumbai there is the heavy rainfall continuously 2 or 3 days, then the floods mainly occurs in that area. Okay. Wildfire. A wildfire is any uncontrolled fire in the country yard or wilderness. Other names for the wildfire are brush fire, bush fire, forest fire, desert fire, grass fire, hill fire, peat fire, vegetation fire, and wildfire. One of the largest wildfire is the 1910 wildfire. Everyone knows when the what is we know that the wildfire about when the fires burn in the forest, when the trees are burning in the forest, automatically with the help of heat, when the temperature is get more heated than then in the forest it get heated and get fire in the wild. Then the it is a drought. It's a long period of time in which a certain region receive a shortage of water, lasting 3 years from 1958 to 1961. The Great Chinese Famine is the worst on record. 15 to 43 million were killed as a result. USA has been hit by a huge drought in 2012, decreasing corn income by 12%. Drought is happened when the lack of water is in the shortage of water in the area and in the region. When the shortage of water in the region, then this disaster has happened. हर तरफ सूखा ही सूखा पड़ जाता है और कहीं पर भी पानी के लिए कुछ जगह नहीं होती है. So that this disaster happens when the shortage of water in that region. And the last 3 years, 1958 to 1968, lasting 3 years, the Great Chinese Famine has a world worst record on it, because 15 to 43 millions were killed as a result in this. When there is no short, then when there is no water, they are get died in this reason, in this disaster. And USA has been hit by the huge drought in 2012. In 2012, the USA has also faced this crop disaster, and then they're decreasing their corn income of 12%. Avalanches. An avalanche is a sudden and drastic drop of snow. The biggest avalanche happened on Mount Hosenkus, killing 2000. An avalanche is a sudden drastic drop of snow when suddenly the snow is falling, and it at I earlier told you, I have discussed you about the Chamoli incident in Uttarakhand, that there the glacier has erupted and many lives can damage in it. So that is also this type of disaster is common, the avalanche disaster. Landslides. A landslide or a landslip is a movement in the ground and the shallow flow of debris. The largest landslide in history happens because of Mount St. Helens, 300 of move down hills. Landslide is happen when the big rocks are broken down into pieces and get gives from the heat, and it gets down fallen. Unusual natural disasters are the two disasters are the unusual natural disasters, the bus fire networks, lamic eruptions. These are the two disasters which are unusual. Then fire nodes. A fire tornado is the column of smoke and fire caused when fire gets in the tornado. Fire nodes are also known as fire wheels, fire devils, and the fire tornado. This is also happens when you get it fire get into the tornado. Limik eruption. The biggest eruptions ever recorded is Lake Neos, killing 18,000. In this eruption, the 18,000 of people and many animals were get killed, and the biggest danger has came in Lake Kivu, which would cause a methane explosion of killed around 200 million people. And the lake are in Africa, and both Menunar and the Neos are in Sericode. Okay. List of few main man-made disasters. These are the natural disasters. We are talking about some man-made disaster. The nuclear bombing, terrorism, or oil spill are the three main natural man-made. Main man-made. The atomic bombing. The first two atomic bombs were used by the USA to the end war against Japan in 1945. The first one was called Little Boy and dropped a flight called Enola Gay. This is the atomic bombing, and this disaster is happened when some peoples are doing throwing the bombs in the regions, and the surrender the USA plans to continue dropping atomic bomb until they did. Terrorism, everyone knows about the 9/11, uh, uh, the Taj Hotel incident. Everyone knows that in Taj Hotel also the terrorists came and have destroyed everything. And this is the big terrorism. In 9/11 is the biggest act of terrorism from US, and fourth flight was believed to have a target of White House on the Capitol. Fourth flight passengers attacked to hijacker and the crashed the flight downs. Deepwater Horizon oil spill. The oil spill followed about 3 months without being stopped. Over 17%, 17 people were killed in the explosion of that released oil, and the 7 lakh 80,000 million millions oil is esteemed to have a flowed out. Thank you.